Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi 14R 5G with trendy body design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.88 inches HD plus water drop notch display. Resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, 84% screen to body ratio, approximately 260 ppi pixel density. 600 nits HBM brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 171.88 by 77.8 by 8.22 mm, and it weighs around 205.39, 208.5, 212.35 grams, and the color options: shadow black, olive green, deep ocean blue, lavender colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5160 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and with USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi 14R 5G has been priced in China for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 1,099 Chinese yuan, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi 14R 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.